This is a microscope eyepiece, and here is what using a dirty microscope eyepiece looks like, and here is what using a clean eyepiece looks like. I'm going to be showing you how to clean your eyepiece so that you will always get a clear result. So first, you try to open your eyepiece. This is unscrewable, so I'm going to screw it and get it open. Now I have it open, and then you have to carefully take this out because this contains the lens. There are two of them, so both lenses in your eyepiece. So this is the first lens, and I'm going to clean this using a microscope lens tissue. So if you have any good lens tissue, you can use that too. So this is the other lens. So when placing your lens on this plastic holder, you ensure that the bumpy side faces upward and then the flat part is inside. So this is the bumpy part of the glass, so it's bumpy, and also this is a bumpy part of the lens too. So having cleaned both lenses, I'm going to carefully put it in this drum. So with my drum facing downward and this facing upward, I'm going to place this way. And then with this lid, I'm going to screw and cover it. Now, there you have it. You can see how we are able to get a clearer vision or visualization of our specimen under our microscope. So to get your microscope and any other laboratory equipment and chemicals, do well to visit Simmyfranks.com.